Hello everyone, and this is the demo video for our project ChronoClass, which is basically a smart timetable scheduler that lets you make timetables more efficiently and effectively. And this product is designed for all the college institutions and schools, and this works strictly under the New Education Policy 2020 guidelines. So here you can see this is the basic layout of our website. On the top we have the basic login button, and if there is a new user we have the sign up button. Again, coming to the home page, we have listed all the main features and all, and apart from that we also have an about page where you can find the team and the main features again. So I will show you how the timetable creation works. So for that we have to go to the home page again. So on the home page you can create the create timetable button, and firstly you have to enter the infra of your college or institution, the infra details basically. That includes the number of classrooms you have, the time of class duration you want to put, and after that you have to put the subject and faculty details. And next comes the break or recess session and the special events. So let's start by entering the basic configuration. So I will keep the classes to 5 only, and next we have the class duration that is set to 50 by default. I will not change that also. And next we have number of batches, which is basically the number of sections you have for each class. And next is the number of we have max classes per day, that is set to 8. And next we also have the average faculty leaves per month. So this is something that we will show you in the end of the video, that why we have integrated this. So let's schedule some classes and see how this timetable scheduling works. So firstly you will add a subject, the subject code, and the priority. Now this is something that is one of our USPs. What basically this does is there is something called a cognitive scheduling that we have implemented. So unless a subject is at high priority, it will never keep two same subjects one after the other. If it is a high priority subject, then only it will keep two subjects together. For example, maths is a priority subject, so you stack two maths classes one after the other. Okay, so next we have the classes per week section also. So basically this is how many classes you want per week, and then the faculty member's name. You can also add multiple faculties for the same subject if you want. Now I will add some more subjects and then I will come back to it later. I've added 4 subjects right now, and as you can see right here. Now after that we also have a break schedule timer, so you can set the timing of the break and the duration from when to when you want to add the break. I will set it to default, that is from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. After that we again have a special thing that is one of our USPs, that is the special classes and events. So what basically happens is that in colleges and schools there is something for example, there is a seminar or a workshop scheduled. So if you add that in the timetable, then the timetable will transform dynamically. So for example, I will here add the event. For example, it is a seminar. I will schedule it on Monday and in the first period. The venue is optional, you can skip it. Similarly, you can add more events, but I will not add it for now. And now let's just create the timetable. So this is the timetable that you will get. Now firstly, all the subjects are differently colored, so it is easier to visualize and see it. Now next is something that you can see right here, is that we can drag and drop all the subjects like this. So this is again one of our USPs that we have implemented, that is the drag and drop facilities. If you drag it on a subject, that it will automatically interchange also. So this is something that will make the customizing of the timetable easier. Now next is the faculty workload. Here we are seeing that, for example, Vijay Yadav sir is occupied with all the classes, that is 8 out of 8. And next Rakesh Mohan sir only has 7 out of 8 classes, and Pradeep sir has 5 out of 8 classes, and this works accordingly. So this is basically if there are multiple faculties for the same subject. For example, if maths has 2 faculties, then we can distribute the workload evenly, so that one faculty is not overloaded. So this is basically for that. Now apart from that, we also have the subject details section on the left, as you can see right here. So you will get all the basic details of the subjects, and if you like click on one of it, then the faculty can see the individual classes of their subject also. For example, this is the dashboard for Vijay Yadav sir. He can easily like see all his classes, and similarly goes for all the other subjects. Now this is something that which is very useful in colleges and all. Now this is like again the drag and drop feature, which makes it easily customizable, and once you are satisfied you can also export it. So for example, I'm exporting it as an image, so the image is exported and it can be like shared easily over WhatsApp or any other platform. Now apart from that, we are aiming is to implement Google Calendar also. So what it will does is like basically it will like connect to Google Calendar, and all the schedules will be updated automatically. And apart from that, we are also willing to add a faculty dashboard through which the faculty admin can easily like see all the timetables and manage it. Thank you.